Lexus South Pointe is offering this pre-owned 2013 Lexus GX 460 Ultra Premium package in Starlight Black Mica with black interior. It's an all-wheel drive, large-size SUV that's powered by a V8 4.6-liter engine that produces 301 horsepower, with third-row capability and seating for 7. The Ultra Premium package is the top trim level and offers the best features available. Features specific to this trim level include pre-collision system with driver monitor control. See those 4 pink dots just past the steering wheel? It monitors the blinking of the driver's eyes so you stay alert while driving. Lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, which is an awesome feature where the GX460 will speed up or slow down automatically and will maintain distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Dual rear screen rear seat DVD entertainment, heated second row outer seats, rear air suspension with auto leveler, crawl control, multi-terrain select, headlight washers, and lastly body side cladding. It has just under 167,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at a Lexus dealership. Here is a nice screenshot showing this service history. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussp.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.